shut up and talk. 20-pack Retevis RT68 Walkie Talkies. Loud, legal and built like a tank. Tired of yelling across kitchens, classrooms, or chaotic construction sites? It's time to level up with the Retevis RT68 Walkie Talkies 20-pack. These heavy-duty, ready-to-rumble radios come packed with 16 channels, a rechargeable battery, crystal-clear audio, and no FCC license drama. Just open the box, pick your channel, and start bossing up your day. Whether you're managing a bustling restaurant, securing a school, or keeping a factory humming, the RT68s give you instant, reliable, and loud communication at the push of a button. No fiddling, no dropped calls, just pure, uninterrupted chatter that keeps teams moving like clockwork. These radios are tougher than your Monday mornings. Built with a hardened, high-density shell, the RT68 can survive drops, bumps, and scrapes like a champ, no delicate tech here. They're palm-sized powerhouses that easily clip to belts, fit in pockets, or dangle from lanyards during crazy shifts. Plus, with VOX hands-free operation and included earpieces, you can move, multitask, and dominate without missing a beat. They even work seamlessly with other Retevis models like the RT22, RT21, and H777. Need to survive a high-traffic restaurant or a dusty warehouse? These radios are down for whatever chaos you throw at them. Worried about battery drama? Forget it. The RT68s are powered by a 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 12 hours of talk time on a single charge. When it's time to juice up, just drop them into their individual USB dock chargers, no cable spaghetti required. A handy low battery alert keeps you from dying mid-conversation. And thanks to the 0 to 9 adjustable squelch settings, your audio stays clean and crisp even in screamingly loud environments. Whether you're coordinating shifts or calling in backup at the loading dock, these radios work as hard as your team does, all day long. Here's where it gets crazy good. These bad boys are affordable, license-free, and crazy reliable. You don't need an expensive business radio license to use them legally. You don't need a fancy IT department to program them. And you definitely don't need to overspend to get premium quality. Compared to bloated commercial systems, the RT68s are a no-brainer, giving you robust, pro-grade communication at a fraction of the cost. They're tech-tested, battle-hardened, and ready to make your operations run smoother, faster, and smarter. Saving money, saving time, saving sanity. What's not to love? It's not just smart, it's downright genius. The Retevis RT68 Walkie Talkies are like that no-nonsense team member who always shows up, stays loud, stays strong, and keeps everyone moving. Perfect for restaurants, schools, warehouses, healthcare teams, you name it. With unbeatable durability, easy setup, powerful range, and 20 radios ready to roll, you'll crush communication problems before they even start. It's time to leave yelling, chaos, and missed messages behind. Power up, speak up, and show up like a pro with RT68 in your pocket. Ready to command the room and the building? Grab your 20-pack now before someone else locks it down.